Join me on a cycling and hiking adventure exploring Italy, the Veneto and Emilia-Romagna regions, on a 575 kilometer tour by bicycle, and hiking the full Alta Via 1 hut to hut across the amazing Dolomites of the Italian Alps. So come along, I'll take you with me on this multi-episode epic adventure.
This is the morning view of where we stayed.
So this is the last view of our amazing Rifugio that we stayed at. Hiker's Paradise. So we're starting off on our day 4 of our hiking. So let's do it. And let's go. I'm taking you with me. And we're going somewhere up there. Look at this. We managed to ascend our first blip on the elevation graph. We have, I think, about 3 of these, so very reasonable compared to the other days, definitely. So this is the view from up here. And there's the Rifugio up here, of course. I mean, why not? Wow. Wow. We just came from there. We're starting our descent. All right, let's carry on. So this might be a little bit hairy here. At least this part. The rest could be a little bit more reasonable, but right here. Steep, but let's see what happens. So, do what you have to. Today we'll be scaling ladders and Julia. Yeah, Julia's gonna go back up, maybe go down a different way. This is a little too technical, perhaps. So I decided to go back from there because it had like these longer drops, a little slippery rock. So I'm going to go back up and we'll find another way around. But what an awesome thing.
Looks like these guys are taking the easy way up. Kidding. What a place to camp. Look at that. Awesome.
So we're taking a detour because it was too difficult or too risky to go down the other way. And we'll be doing it on roads like this, which, what can you say? But it's better than getting hurt, taking risks that I don't want to take. So we made it to the bottom of the gravel part of the detour that we have to take because we didn't take that treacherous downhill. So this is the walk on the road now to meet up with the trail that we're gonna, regular trail. Still beautiful. a little shortcut from the road along curves in the road. Look at how beautiful it is. We didn't come that far really, we came from somewhere up there. So we finally caught up to our original trail and we're on it right now. It's still beautiful and we still have about 10k to go, so if we stayed on track we would have done 4 kilometers, but according to Strava we did 7.5 or something. All the way there. How cool is that? But let's see if this is the summit of the second peak that I'm doing today. Oh, whatever it is, it's awesome. Change of pace, a little reprieve. Oh, what an incredible view.
There might be some snow. Oh, beautiful, eh?
Wow. I think there's another glacier out there. Over there. Not sure if you can see the trail, but it goes all the way up there, like in the middle of the two mountains. It's like going through a little wildflower garden. It's gorgeous. Wow. Group in front of us, but what a trail. They were in our dorm the first night. Look at this. Wow. No traffic jam. Trying to get out of that. Oh, great. No, good. Okay, great. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much, very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Excuse me just for 1 second, please.
Okay.
Thank you. All right. All right. Okay, go. Yeah, you can go this side. It's safer. Thank you. Thank you. All right, past the traffic jam. Look at this here. So we just finished coming all along the side here. I've seen videos, but none of the videos is like actually being here. Wow. I'm still blown away. It's our 5th day and I'm blown away. Who wouldn't be? All the beautiful wildflowers growing there. And the glacier. That's where we came from, all the way up there, the valley that you can see. Wow. Hey Bessie, getting enough of those electrolytes?
What a great spot to contemplate life.
Gonna let me pet you? Hey? Gonna let me pet you? Huh? Yeah. Yeah, look at that, eh? Tough life. But you're doing it very well. Oh, we have a welcoming committee. Very nice. Excuse me, cow. Excuse me, cow. You're in my way. Watch out for the cow patties. There's a lot of cows here. Look at that. They're all over the place. Well, this one here. You gonna get out of my way? Please? Huh? Yeah, go. Grass is greener over there. Yeah, grass is like really juicy and sweet over there. We're getting somewhere. Those guys, they're going down that screen. Oh yeah. I remember when I tried that. I didn't like it.
Let's see if I can get this captured.
Who put these wondrous things in my way? Different terrain all the time. Let me take a second here and show you, keep my balance and show you where. Getting there, very close. A little bit to the shady woods. A little cooler here. Very nice. It's gonna feel good to take this backpack off permanently for the day. Yeah. So let's do this. Let's finish it. I'll see you there. I think we're about there. It was a long day today. Maybe 19, maybe 20 kilometers. And we did a lot more elevation because of the detour we took. Oh, made it. Nice. That's what I want to do. Ja nie wierzę to. Wow. Proszę?
To nie był planowany.
Idziecie? Skoczyliście?
Taki był plan, ale możemy jeszcze chwilę usiąść.
Ja mogę... You want a beer? Chcecie piwo?
Ja dziękuję.
Ja, bo za dużo, później dźwigać te torby, ja? Ja rozumiem. Sure! What a coincidence. Okay, let me turn this thing off.